In this video, you will learn how to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. Many people face this issue when they try to sign up for a new account. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. I will guide you through the steps to fix it. First things first, ensure your device is connected to a reliable internet source. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and verify if you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. A strong and stable connection is crucial for creating your Apple ID. Next, let's check if your device software is up to date. In the Settings app, tap on General, then select Software Update. If there's an available update, download and install it. Keeping your device updated can often resolve unexpected issues. Now that your software is current, go back to the General Settings, scroll down, and tap on Date and Time. Ensure that both the date and time are set correctly according to your location, including the correct time zone. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with account creation. While still in the General Settings, navigate to Language and Region. Make sure your region is set correctly as well. This can impact various services linked with your Apple ID. Next, let's address any potential interference from VPNs. Tap on VPN and Device Management. And if you are currently connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. Sometimes these connections can prevent account creation due to regional restrictions. If none of those steps have resolved the issue so far, there's one last resort option available before seeking further assistance. Go back into the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll down all the way to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset, followed by tapping on Reset All Settings. If after all these steps you're still encountering problems creating an Apple ID through your iPhone, try using a web browser instead. Open any web browser of your choice and navigate to account.apple.com. Once there, look for the downward arrow button at the top right corner of the page, tap on it. Then select Create your Apple account. Fill out all necessary information carefully, make sure everything is accurate, and proceed with creating your new Apple ID. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the your account cannot be created at this time error when trying to create an Apple ID. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.